Hello friends, welcome to our channel Break Your Limits. In this video, we will cover some basic concepts of pointers. So, what are pointers? Pointers are the variable which contains address of a normal variable. General form of declaring a pointer variable is type star variable name. Size of pointer variable is 8 bytes. Here are some types a pointer variable can be of: int, float, char, struct. But the size of pointer remains same in the case of all types. Now we will see a doubt that arises in everyone's mind, that if the pointer variable size is same in the case of all the types, then why it is classified into different types? As different types has different sizes. Int takes 4 bytes, float takes 4 bytes, and char takes 1 byte. Now, in this slide, we will see how address is allocated to pointer variable and why it is classified into different types. Now, as we see, x is an int variable. It is taking 4 bytes. Y is a char variable. It is taking 1 byte. And z is a float variable. It is taking 4 bytes. And now the x1, which is in type pointer, and address of x is assigned to it. Same is in the case of y1 and z1. Now 100 is the address of first byte of x, 200 is the address of first byte of y, 300 is the address of first byte of z. Now, as we seeing in this slide, that 100 is stored in x1, 200 is stored in y1, and 300 is stored in z1. So only address of first byte is stored in pointer variable. As we see that 104 is stored in x1 plus 1 because int variable takes 4 bytes, and 201 is stored in y1 plus 1 because char variable takes 1 byte, and 304 is stored in z1 plus 1 because float variable takes 4 bytes. So by this we conclude that type of pointer decides how much bytes need to add to get the address of next variable. Now as we see, 1000 is the address of x1 and 1008 is the address of x1 plus 1. Same is in the case of y1 and z1. The difference between the address of pointers is 8 bytes because the size of pointer variable is 8 bytes. So I think so. The doubts of address allocation and the types of pointer would be cleared. So moving on to our next topic, arithmetic concepts of pointers. In this topic, we will see things we can't do, things we can do. We cannot multiply or divide pointer with pointer. We cannot add pointer with pointer. We cannot multiply or divide pointer with integer, but we can add or subtract pointer with integer. We can subtract pointer with pointer. Now we will see our last topic, extended concepts of pointers. In this we have taken a int type variable x and assign the value 5 in it, and taken a pointer variable x1 and assign address of x in it, and one more pointer variable x2 and assign address of x1 in it, and one more pointer variable x3 and assign the address of x2 in it. Now we will see how to declare these different types of pointers. Here I have written double star x2 because it is storing the address of single star pointer. Same is in the case of triple star x3 because it is storing the address of double star pointer. This statement means that x star x1, double star x2 and triple star x3 it all equals to 5. So this was all about the topic pointers. If you really learned something from this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel Break Your Limits, share this video with your friends, and thank you.